Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem TechBd. Today I will discuss how to use ChatGPT Plagiarism Checker. I have a request: if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. When you written an article through ChatGPT, that article may be 100% unique and may not be. We will use Plagiarism Checker to check the article. If your article is not 100% unique, then there are solutions on how you can solve this problem. First, I will copy our article. Then open new tab. Then type duplicate checker. Then search. Open duplichecker.com website. Here you paste the article. Then tick mark I am a naughty robot. Click check plagiarism. I have a request: if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. As you can see, our article is not 100% unique. We will solve this problem now. Click Make it Unique option. Then tick mark I am not a robot. Then click Rewrite article. Again click Check plagiarism. Then tick mark I am not a robot. Again click Check plagiarism. I have a request: if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe. As you can see, our problem is pretty much solved.